Guys, up here at the farm today about the 9-9 up here. Last time, I think last July, hopefully the wind isn't too terrible. It's pretty bad, so I'm probably not going to be able to video a whole lot, but yeah, looks like it's mainly jagger bushes growing up in here, which is great, but whatever I get brush hogged, I get brush hogged, and I think I'm going to get the Kubota, and there's a tree down along the woods line over that I kind of want to cut up so I can mow in there. I kind of worked at it with 83 last year. So, anyways, get the old 9 unloaded and go down, have some fun. Hopefully my battery's not dead on the camera already. It kind of looks like it. Darn it. Well, the 9 ain't running right, so I don't know, it's only running good at full throttle. Probably something to do with the carburetor, I don't know, but it's definitely got a miss on one cylinder as well. So I don't know, I may stay up top here and mow for a little while and see what happens. I'm gonna go down and get the Kubota. I don't know what I did, but it's running better. Alright boys, I don't have a whole lot of battery power, but my oldest and newest machine up here at the farm, the 9N started running better here, and I did a lot of clearing with the Kubota, but my camera battery was not charged, so I got 3 camera batteries, and I got this one going just enough to do this clip, so catch everybody on the next one. Later. If I get a chance, I'll go down through the bottom where I cleared maybe. I don't know. Put this thing back on the charger, let it charge. Alright, me and the old Kubota cleared all this. It gets a little steep, and I almost rolled a 3910 on its side in here. So, I didn't do that. So, wish I could have showed you guys some, but my other camera isn't supposed to show up for another 2 days at minimum, so this is the old camera. I got it turned up to high def. Screen smashed, battery goes dead. Choose through the camera battery real quick. So, yeah. It isn't real smooth down in here, but I got a trail cleared now. Can remember all the clearing we did. It turned out nice. I did a little bit more down this corner. I'm starting to wonder if it isn't that other camera battery. But I've tried other batteries and this camera does the same thing, so I don't know. Well, anyhow, I'm gonna let everybody go here. Later, guys. Old girl. See how you're feeling now. It's about 7 o'clock, so I'm legit going to make 3 passes and go home. So I gotta sit you guys down because I need both of the hands here. I'd say she's feeling about normal. Yep. Alright, see how much fuel's in her, and oh, we still got plenty of gas for all I'm gonna do. Alright, let's wind it up, boys. Running pretty decent. Oh, the old 9's running a lot better now. What if I could only mow it in third all the time? I can just flatten out the bumper and groundhog holes. See what happens with the wet spot here. We're gonna have problems. This will be it. Fog it a little bit. Paid off. Woohoo! Okay. Before I break something, I probably need to go to the truck. Get you everybody later.